Manipur Miyamgi Lifeline Oiriba National Highway Ani Imphal Dimapur Lambi National Highway 2 Amadi Imphal Jiribam Lambi National Highway 37 Asida Chathok Chachin Taubada Apanba Pidanaba Security Matik Chana Taksin Thorang Lokat Pinaba Rajya Sabhagi MP Leisemba Sanajaoba Parliament Mifamda Pukhatkre Ngasi Parliament Mifamda MP Leisemba Sanajaoba Special Mention Oina Pukhatlaktuna Manipur ki Lifeline Oriba National Highway Animakta Security Ngak gi Akanba Chaksin Thorang Lokat Pinaba Union Government ki Pukning Chingsinki MP Leisemba Sanajaoba Phongdokibada Manipur Fauduna Chatliba National Highway Ani Imphal Dimapur Lambi National Highway 2 Asina Manipur dagi Nagaland amadi Assam Fauraga Laibak asigi atai mafam singa faunabagi yamna maruoiba lambi amani Imphal Jiribam Lambi National Highway 37 Asina Manipur dagi Assam Fauraga Chatliba yamna maruoiba lambi amani Laibak Tibadi Manipur Miyamgi Lifeline Oiriba Lambi Ani Asida Yamna Toina Banamadi Blockade no Chingba Taubana Lambi Asida Pochai Pusilakpada Apanayet Piduna Manipur gi Miyamda Toina Kudong Jadaba Mayok Nahalle Banamadi Blockade Namaram Oiraga Nongmada Changdraba Yadaba Potlam Sing Pusilakpa Lepana Pochai gi Mamal Wangkatpa Amade Fangnadabagi Awaba Kaya Mayok Nahalle Hairaduna State Asiki Chaukat Thorangi Thabakta Chauna Chaiting Pire Hainasu House ki Pukning Chingsinki
Honorable Sri Maharaja Sanajaoba Leisemba demand to maintain the safety and security of national highways of Manipur.
Yes, thank you, Deputy Chairman sir, for giving me this opportunity. Sir, my special mention is demand to maintain the safety and security of the national highways of Manipur. Sir, Manipur has only two national highways. Number 1, National Highway number 2, Imphal Dimapur Road, which connects Manipur to Nagaland and Assam, serving as a vital link to the rest of India, and number 2, National Highway 37, Imphal Jiribam Road, which connects Manipur to Assam and rest of India, facilitating trade and commerce. In fact, these two national highways are the lifelines of Manipur. Sir, but frequent disturbance, burns and blockade, etc. pose many hardships to the people of Manipur. People are facing economic hardship by affecting trades and commerce, supply of essential goods, price hike and scarcity of goods. Passengers face delay, cancellation and the increased travel times affecting daily lives, education and healthcare. Shortage of essential items like food, medicine and fuel exacerbating humanitarian crisis. Frequent disturbances deter tourists and invest, hindering economic growth and development of the state. So, sir, I urge upon the Union government to maintain the two national highways of Manipur safe and secure without any kind of disturbance or blockade so that people can move freely all the years round. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Dhanyavad. Mani Sri Brijlal ji.